My name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, specializing in medical hypnotherapy, guided visualization, nutrition, and exercise. I'm coming to you today from San Diego, California. Before we begin our health tip today, I would like to thank all those hundreds and hundreds of people who have signed up as our listeners to receive our health tips, many of whom have purchased our videos on hypnosis, and I've received numerous emails to thank me because we were able to be of assistance to them. Today's health tip is entitled 11 Cancer Fighting Foods. Diet and exercise can prevent many types of cancer. Nearly 2/3 of Americans survive more than 5 years, and they have embraced nutrition, exercise, had a normal body weight, and have empowered themselves, some of them, to use hypnosis, as this helps fight the cancer once it is developed. Let's start with the various foods. The first one is beans. Doesn't matter what type, kidney beans, round beans, whatever. Beans contain a substance called phytochemicals, which have been shown to prevent genes being altered. When a gene is altered, and it might be a cancer gene, then one develops cancer. While these beans are beneficial for reducing and helping certain types of cancer, specific research has suggested that they are especially potent in preventing prostate cancer. As an added bonus, the high content of fiber in the beans has resulted in a lower incidence of digestive disorders. Berries are extremely powerful in helping to prevent disease. The most widely studied cancer-fighting compounds in the berries are something called ellagic acid, and it is rich in strawberries and raspberries. Ellagic acid is believed to prevent skin cancer, bladder cancer, lung, and breast cancers, both by acting as an antioxidant and by slowing the reproduction of cancer cells. These various names of these various substances are all antioxidants mainly. The body causes rust, which is oxidation in every cell in the body. So to prevent that rust or oxidation being formed, one needs to have antioxidants to counteract the damage of the oxidants. In blueberries, the substance is called anthocyanidins, and the most powerful antioxidants are beneficial in preventing cancer. So to prevent cancer, it's necessary that you eat a whole variety of berries, especially raspberries, strawberries, blueberries. Blueberries have shown also to have a beneficial effect on the brain and can help delay Alzheimer's disease. Now, cruciferous vegetables, these are vegetables that most people don't like, but cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and kale, they have a number of cancer-fighting compounds and slows the growth and development of l- risk of lung cancer, stomach, colon and rectum, prostate, and bladder cancers. It is extremely beneficial to have a portion of cruciferous vegetables every day. And then we come to dark green leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables like romaine lettuce, mustard greens, chicory, Swiss chard are all rich in antioxidants that goes by the name as carotenoids. So carotenoids are important because they also scavenge dangerous free oxidants in the body that can promote cancer. The vegetable is also rich in folate, and this vitamin has been shown to reduce the risk of lung and breast cancer. The next is flax seeds. Always, if one takes flax seeds, it should be ground. Whole flax seeds just pass through your body and into your stool. So, flax seeds, it should be ground, or you can have flax oil. The flax seeds contain a substance called phytoestrogens. And phytoestrogens are believed to reduce the risk of breast cancer, skin and lung cancer. The next healthy substance, which some of you may not like, is garlic. But in that group also comes onions, scallions, leeks, and chives. Garlic contains a number of compounds believed to stop the growth of various types of tumors. However, in particular, the active compound is diallyl, diallyl, diallyl sulfate, which protects against skin, colon, and lung cancer. The next food group is grapes. Grapes, especially if they are red or purple, they contain a substance called resveratrol. And resveratrol was first described many years ago to protect heart disease. And it was known as the French paradox because the French ate a large amount of fat food and calories. They did not exercise, but they drank a lot of wine. And the reason why they didn't get heart disease is that they drank the wine, and it is the resveratrol in the wine that prevents heart disease. However, when it comes to cancer, resveratrol prevents cell damage. And by that I mean when cells become damaged, there's a greater chance for those damaged cells to become cancer cells. Grapes are very beneficial. We don't recommend, if you drink red wine, we don't recommend more than, for men, 2 glasses of wine a day, and for females, 1 glass of wine a day. The next is decaffeinated green tea. You have no idea how green tea can help prevent breast and prostate cancer, together with the flax seeds and vitamin D3. Other cancers that green tea can help prevent is colon, liver, and, as I said, breast and prostate cancer. The next substance is called soy. Soy has really been maligned by many people in the US, but that is untrue when they say that this can be dangerous to your health. The Japanese, for argument's sake, they eat a large amount of soy, They drink a lot of green tea and they don't get breast or prostate or other cancers. So while soy has got some hormonal effect, the effect is minimal. Then tomatoes. Tomatoes are very healthy because they have the active substance, the red color is called lycopene. And lycopene has been shown to be particularly potent when it comes to preventing prostate cancer. When you eat the tomato, it is preferable to let it simmer or sauteed with extra virgin olive oil for a few minutes, because that enhances the lycopene by the cooking process. Also, in addition to preventing this prostate cancer, lycopene can protect you against breast cancer, lung, stomach, and pancreatic cancer. The last cancer, pancreatic cancer, is one of the worst cancers a person can have because the lifespan is so reduced, and because there is no screening test. You know, like if you have a pap smear or a hemoccult test for blood in the stool, that's called a screening test. But to screen for the pancreas, there are no screening tests, and therefore, by the time it is diagnosed, usually it is too late because it is spread, or by the time a person develops pain from pancreatic cancer, it's too late. And the last benefit is whole grains. Whole grains are extremely healthy for you. What do we mean by whole grains? Whole wheat, whole pasta, brown rice, barley, quinoa, etc. They have a variety of various types of anti-cancer compounds. They have a great deal of fiber, and another type of antioxidant is called the phytoestrogen, which we mentioned before. Whole grains, especially when eaten regularly, can help prevent breast cancer. So, you see, like Hippocrates always said, let food be thy medicine and let medicine be thy food. Here we have a clear situation that shows that you can prevent having any types of cancers by exercising, having a nutritious diet, don't smoke, don't have too much alcohol, and voila, your genes, if you do that, exercise and nutrition, the cancer gene that might be within you is prevented from developing. Now, these foods will help prevent cancer, but there is another cause for cancer, and that is stress. Speak to any neuroscientists, psychologists, psychiatrists will tell you every disease that there is initially is caused by stress. So to decrease your stress, we ask you to visit drmedicalhypnosis.com and use the appropriate hypnosis videos that you deem fit. My name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, and I thank you for listening to this health tip.